Hello, Grade 1. In preparation for today's lesson, you will need your 3 worksheets printed, skip counting by 2s, 5s and 10s. When you have these 3 worksheets and a pencil, you will be ready for today's lesson. If you need some extra help, you can use a number line or a 100 square. Let's start the lesson. Hello, Grade 1, and welcome to our lesson about counting in 2s, 5s and 10s. Here are our lesson objectives for this lesson. By the end of this math lesson, you should be able to say, I can skip count by 2s, 5s and 10s. I can identify a counting pattern, and I can continue a counting pattern. Let's start by counting in 2s. Ben is counting his money. Can you help him? You will see here we have 2p coins. We are going to count in 2s to help Ben count them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Here are the numbers Ben counted on a number line. Let's count them together. Remember, each time we count, we are jumping 2 places because we are counting in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. What do you notice about these numbers? Take a few seconds to look at the numbers and see, can you notice anything about them? Here we have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now after 10 we have 12. There is a 2 in 12, then we have a 4 in 14 and a 6 in 16. If we were to count again by 2, which number would we land on? That's right, we would land on 18. 2 more than 16. 1, 2. Can you help Shama to count her money? Let's start. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now, Shama has 1 coin left over. It is not a 2p, it is a 1 penny. So she has 12. Now we should add 1 more to make 13. Here are the numbers Shama counted on a number line. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now we're finished counting in 2s and we add the 1p to make 13. Now you have practiced counting by 2. Let's try a worksheet. Everybody take out this worksheet that you should have and put your name and the date on the top of your worksheet. You can pause the video and take a few minutes to put your name and the date. Okay, everyone, let's start to count in 2s. We need to use the numbers at the bottom of the page to fill each box. When you are finished, you should check your answers to make sure they are all correct. Let's start at 2. Let's count 2 more. 4. So we will put 4 here. After 4 comes 6. Well done. We will put 6 here. After 6 comes 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's add 2 more and make 10. So on your paper now, you should have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's continue the counting pattern. After 10, we have 2 more to make 12. Here is 12 and we shall put it here in this box. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Well done, everyone. Now, let's challenge ourselves a little bit more to follow the counting pattern from 20 until 30. Here we will put 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30. Wasn't that easy? Well done, everyone. Now we will move along to counting in fives. Mabel Monkey is counting bananas in bunches of 5. Let's count them together. 5, 10, 15, 20. If you want to count them all individually, you will see that there are 20 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, that was a lot of counting. I am tired. It is so much easier to count by fives. Let's count by fives again. 5 bananas, 10 bananas, 15 bananas, 20 bananas. Can you continue her pattern? If we had 5 more bananas, how many bananas would we have? If we continue the pattern, will Mabel Monkey say the number 35? What do you think? If we keep counting in fives from 20, will Mabel Monkey reach the number 35? Yes, she will. Well done, everyone. How do we know that? Because we follow the pattern. Mabel Monkey is counting bananas in bunches of 5. Close your eyes for a second and open them again. Some of the bananas will have disappeared. So close your eyes, everyone. Now you can open them again. Some of the bananas are missing. We need to help her count her bananas. Okay, now we can see there are some missing numbers. How many bananas are here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the missing number that should go here. Let's count in fives to help Mabel Monkey count her bananas. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, everyone, let's check our answers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Well done, everyone. You helped Mabel Monkey to count all of her bananas. She says thank you so much. Now, let's practice a worksheet. Put your name and the date on this worksheet, counting in fives. We need to count by fives to fill in the blanks. You can use a number line or 100 square to help you. When you are finished, check your answers to make sure they are correct. So, to fill in the blanks, we just need to count by fives. Let's count together. You can pause the video to fill in your answers. 5, 10, 15, 20. So you will write 20 here in the box. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Well done, everyone. You have finished the first pattern. If you need more time, you can pause the video before we start the second one. Now, in this line, we start counting from 35. We start at 35 and we count by 5. 35, 40, 45, 50. What will come next? That's right, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Well done, everyone. You've finished the second pattern. Now let's try the third one, the yellow one. We start on 25 and we count by 5. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Great work, everyone. If you need more time, don't forget you can pause the video to complete your work. Then you can play it again when you're ready to do the next one. Okay, everyone, let's do the last pattern on this worksheet. We are starting at number 60 and we are still counting by 5s. 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And 5 more than 100 is, does anybody know? Well done, that's right. The answer is 105. Okay, now that you've finished this worksheet, you can see that when we count in 5s, there is a pattern. It goes 5, 0, 5, 0. The numbers are ending in 5, then ending in 0, then ending in 5, and ending in 0. And this is the pattern when we count by 5s. Well done, everyone. Okay, everyone, now you can pause the video to check your answers. The final thing we will learn today is counting in tens. Jonathan is buying tins of paint to sell in his shop. Let's count them together. We need to count in tens. Each group has 10 tins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each group is 10 tins of paint. Let's help Jonathan count the tins of paint. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Well done, everyone. What do you notice about the way Jonathan has counted the paint tins? What do you think? Of course, that's right. He has counted them in groups of 10. What is the same in each number? Let's look at these numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What is the same in each number? That's right. Each number ends in 0. Well done. What is different in each number? Okay, let's look. Here is 1, 10, 2 tens, 20, 3 tens is 30, 4 tens is 40, 5 tens is 50. So the first digit in each number is changing. Okay? The tens place is changing and the ones are staying the same. If Jonathan continues to count the tins of paint in groups of 10, will he say the number 70? How do you know? Okay, everyone, let's start counting at 10 and continue counting after 50 to see if we will reach 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Yes, we reached 70. We know that if Jonathan continues to count the tins of paint in groups of 10, he will reach 70 because 7 tens is 70. How much paint has he bought? Let's count the groups of tins of paint. Okay, everyone, let's get ready to count. Wow, Jonathan has a lot of paint. Let's start. Here he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that we are counting groups of 10. Let's count together using our biggest and best counting voices. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Well done. Let's check that we are correct. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job, everyone. We were correct. We counted in tens all the way from 10 until 100. Oh no! Spilt paint. Jonathan can't see his labels. What are the missing numbers? Okay, everyone, so now we have to help Jonathan count his paint tins. He cannot see the numbers here, here, and here because he has spilled paint. Let's count in tens and see if we can help him. 10, 20. What should go here? Well done. 30, 40, 50. What is 10 more than 50? That's right, everyone. It's 60. 70. What could this be? 10 more than 70. That's right. 80. 90, 100. Let's check our answers to see if we were correct. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great work, everyone. Now we have one more challenge. We have to help Jonathan one more time. Let's count again and see if we can help him because he cannot see his labels. 10, 20. Well done, everyone. It's 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Oh, what's this one? What is 10 more than 80? That's right, it's 90. And finally, 100. Let's check our answers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Well done, everyone. Okay, everyone. Before we finish the lesson, let's do some quick revision of counting in 2s, 5s, and 10s. Can you count? Can you think of a quick way to count the socks? Give a reason for your thinking. Look at all the socks lined up on the line. How many socks are there of each colour? That's right, there are 2 socks of every colour. So, should we count by 2s, by 5s, or by 10s? What do you think? That's right, we should count by 2s. Let's count the socks together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Well done, everyone. Now we are going to count by 5s. Tom takes a handful of counters. To count them, he decides to group the counters into groups of 5. Okay, let's count by 5s to help Tom count the counters. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Let's see if we were correct. How many counters does Tom have? He has 35. Well done, we were correct. Do you think Tom's idea for counting the counters was a good one? Give a reason for your answer. What do you think, everyone? Exactly. I think it was a good idea for him to count in fives because we know how to skip count by 5, so it was very easy for us. Now we have a count by tens challenge. Count by 10 2 times. Which number do you reach? Did you get an answer? Okay, keep it in your head and we will check it in the next slide. Next, count by 10 5 times. Which number do you reach? Do you have an answer? Good. Keep it in your head and we will check it in the next slide. And the last one, count by 10 10 times. Which number do you reach? Do you have an answer? Well done. Let's check them. When we count by 10 2 times, we reach 20. 10, 20. 2 tens is 20. When we count by 10 5 times, we reach 50. Well done, everyone. Let's count by 10 5 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Very good. And the last one, when we count by 10 10 times, we reach 100. Let's check our answer by counting by 10 10 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Well done, grade 1. I'm so proud of you. And that is the end of our lesson. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and I will see you next time. Bye bye.